back to the channel. I'm Hank Strange. This is StrangerPalooza. We are at the 2024 RV Super Show in Tampa. We're in the Winnebago booth, and we're here with Grant.
Hi.
How you doing, Grant?
I'm well, and you?
Good, thanks.
Good.
And we are looking at trailers, specifically the M Series.
Yes.
So Grant, tell me, who are you building this for? And let's just go through it.
Yeah, absolutely. So this is a brand new product line for Winnebago Towables, where it's kind of similar to some other product lines we've always done. It's very similar to Micro Minis in terms of its width. So this is also a 7-foot wide trailer, which is 1 foot narrower than your traditional travel trailer. Traditional travel trailers are 8 feet wide.
And what does that give you, that extra foot off?
So I think what a lot of customers or owners enjoy about 7-foot wide trailers is whether you're towing it with a mid-size pickup truck like a Tacoma or a half-ton truck that doesn't have extending tow mirrors, you can still very easily see down the side of these. They're easier to fit into those tighter camp spots.
Maneuver.
Or how about just tighter roadways, national parks, things like that. They're much more friendly for that. And it also helps keep weight down. So the trailer we're going to look at today, this is our 2326 RK. So it's a rear kitchen floor plan with a full private front bedroom. It's 26 foot long, tip to tail, but it's only 4,500 pounds dry. To put that in perspective, you know, we have some trailers that are 3 feet shorter and maybe a Micro Mini with maybe some more features on there, more content, but they're about that same weight with open concept bedrooms and not private bedrooms. So that's kind of where this is going to set itself apart. It's 7 foot wide,
easy to tow.
Easy to tow, but we have bedroom privacy where generally you kind of have to sacrifice that and you have to go with either a curtain separator or just all open concepts. So,
so what are we looking at on the outside here?
Absolutely. So it's going to have all the 2024 new features we added into our trailers across the board. That's going to be your side view camera prep. It still has the Furrion rear view camera prep as well. It'll have inverter prep. It'll have 12-volt tank pad heaters here on the outside and a 200-watt solar panel up on the roof with a 30-amp charge controller. Again, this is dropping, I would say, substantially lower than, or landing substantially lower than our Micro Mini product. So the M Series is definitely going to be more price point aggressive. So it has a little bit less content, but the same quality build that we're known for in our Micro Minis. Yep. So if we come down the side here, big power awning that does encompass the full door. We really couldn't take it much further than this because we put big windows in our units, big bedroom windows. We would try to maximize that cross flow ventilation.
Give you a lot of light inside. And I think you already said that, so this is manual jacks on levelers on this, right? I think you said that.
These are manual, and the pass-through storage is going to look very similar. So your pass-through storage is actually going to still have right here in this corner your solar charge controller, your tire pressure monitor prep, so all those things that the Access, you know, it had in it as well. So those are kind of things we try to put across the board. It still has a heated and enclosed underbelly, and like I mentioned, we'll show you on the control panel inside, but 12-volt tank pad heaters.
All right, and same Winnebago construction on this underneath.
Yes, this is all CNC routed sidewalls, Asdel composite-backed fiberglass, which also helps cut down some weight. You know, aluminum construction on your walls. And then on the inside, I think the floor plan is really great. We're still going to have the window in the door with the privacy shade. It looks like somebody's put that up right now. The solid entrance steps, so because they do sit a good distance off the ground. So we got the triple step, solid step system.
So show us how this works before we go in here.
Absolutely. You just lift this up, and that door has to be opened usually pretty much all the way. Yep. And this will just slide right back in here, and steps are up and out of the way.
Yeah, I like that.
Coming around the back.
Yeah, let's take a look at the back.
You know, all LED lights. We still have we have our bumper. We have up here ladder prep. So if you would like to get a ladder, this is actually meant to fit the telescoping aluminum ladders that Lippert make. If you prefer to put a standard, like fully mounted ladder on the back of it, we still have the 2x4 backers in the rear wall to be able to do so. Just have to get with Winnebago, and we get the dealer print on where those need to be screwed in.
Where they go. Can you put anything on this bumper?
This one does not have the 2-inch receiver on it, correct.
All right, cool. I like this big back window here.
Yeah, and I actually really want to highlight this because this is new for us across the board. So we are now, as of a few months ago, any slide we're using that's not a rack and pinion slide, which rack and pinion slides are robust. They're built for heavy slides. They're flush floor systems. This is still an in-wall system here, but we've actually fully transitioned over to a slim rack slide system. They've always been very popular in our Class C motorhomes, like our Views all use slim racks. They have really good service records associated with them. So This is kind of a new upgrade across the board. If we're using a in-wall slide, it's going to be a slim rack.
Okay, nice. Is this a 30 or 50 amp?
This is a 30 amp unit.
30 amp, okay.
Yep.
All right.
So let's, and then satellite hookup, you know, power right here. We still have the valves enclosed in the heated and sealed underbelly. So here's your gray tank valve, and then your black tank valve.
The black tank would be in the back because the bathroom's in the back on this one.
Yep.
Yeah, rearward.
Yep.
I'm guessing, no, we are rearward right now, so this is a rear kitchen.
This is a rear kitchen, so this is just, this is just going to be our kitchen sink. And then this is our bathroom and toilet here. So black and another black and gray tank here. I personally enjoy, I don't know about you, I like the minimalistic decals. I think it's just clean looking, straight lines.
I would agree.
We still have the side view or side mount solar prep here. So again, if you want to run something in tandem with what's on the roof, you don't have to put holes in the roof, or you can just plug in a portable panel here.
Yeah. And you can toss those in here.
Yep.
In the storage. Okay. What do we have going on up front?
Up front, we have your power tongue jack, a 20-pound LP tank. The battery, actually, the dealership here is put on just for the show. But this is actually kind of unique here. This is all your 7-way 12-volt appliances.
Oh, okay.
So we actually have those enclosed in a weatherproof junction box, so you don't have to worry about snow staying on them or rain getting on them and corroding potential electrical connections.
Okay.
It'll just keep everything nice and dry. And then we do have a little 7-way plug holder, which is always a nice feature just to kind of keep this... Give it a spot. So you have to just wrap it around your tongue jack.
Right.
You want to see the inside?
Yes, absolutely.
All right.
All right, folks, let me tell you about an absolute game changer for those of us living the van life or embarking on overlanding adventures. Today's sponsor, Liquified, has come up with the ultimate solution for RV tank troubles. You know, there's nothing worse than stubborn tank buildup when you're out on the road, right? Well, Liquified RV Tank Cleaner is here to help make those worries a thing of the past. This enzyme-based solution does exactly what its name suggests. It liquefies solid waste and toilet paper, making the dumping process smooth, clean, and easy. And the best part, it's environmentally friendly and 100% biodegradable. So you can maintain your RV without harming Mother Nature. You can snag this must-have product on Amazon today. Just click on the link in this video's description. Trust me, your RV tank and your peace of mind will thank you. Make every journey a clean and fresh one with Liquified.
So on the inside, I love rear kitchens because I think the fridge is in an awesome spot. It's right inside your door, and
right here. So if you're going to get stuff
well, when you're camping, what are you going in your camper over and over again for?
Food.
Drinks, and drinks and food.
Drinks, yeah.
So having that right when you walk in, I think just makes sense.
Yeah.
So right when you come in the door on the 2326 RK, you will have your fridge. This is the same size fridge we put in all of our units standard outside of Voyage. It's 10.3 cubic feet, and it is 12 volt and 110. So I really like, we absolutely love you can feel it right now. These units, the generator just started a few minutes ago, and this thing's already down to temperature, so they get cold really quickly. And then I love the panoramic windows in the kitchen.
Yeah, this is
big
cool.
windows, so you have, if you're backed up to something to look at, like a river or
lake,
a lake, you know, you have a view in the morning when you wake up. 2-burner cooktop, which is standard here, along with a convection microwave. Pots and pans drawer still.
Lots of storage.
Yes, lots of storage. A bank of 4 drawers here, all overhead wraparound storage.
Let's take a look in these cabinets. There you go. The people out there love to see what's in the cabinets, you know?
Okay.
Got to show them what's in the cabinets.
Yep, and this one actually goes all the way to the back wall here.
Back there, yeah. And then let's take a look at this sink. There you go. That's a nice sink.
It's a nice sink.
Yeah.
Big.
Like a country farm type sink. Very nice.
And then you kind of move into, it's like a middle living floor plan. So you have a slide with a jackknife sofa on it. That's what the industry term is for these.
Okay.
It's really nice, but I like that this has the flip down cup holders in the middle, so you almost get a little bit of a sense of a theater seat or a place to set your drink while you're watching TV, which is directly across from us. So the TV's in the right spot again.
Okay. Yeah. Let me go over here.
Yep. And
nice
then
dinette.
Your dinette easily converts into a bed, so you could sleep a person here, you could sleep another person on the dinette. Our bathroom is secured by pocket doors, but then it is a walk-through bathroom into the bedroom, and this is where this differentiates from a Micro Mini.
Okay.
A Micro Mini wouldn't be quite this long. It would weigh roughly the same.
Okay, so this is a split bathroom. Let's
Yep.
go back there and take a look.
But generally, this wall's not here in a Micro Mini. You don't have a private bedroom like this does with
I
a
see.
walk-around queen bed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you walk through here, walk through the bathroom, shower on one side.
Yeah, the shower's
Toilet over here.
30 by 36 inch shower. We have a ducted furnace that's actually running heat from under the dinette over to the bedroom.
I like
but
you
the
have a-
shower doesn't have a big step up. I like
Okay.
that.
And I like that you have a stainless sink here. That's
Yeah.
nice.
Yep, stainless sink still in the bathroom. A full-length mirror, taller mirror.
Yeah, vent in the AC. So how many AC units are on this one?
This is just 30 amps, so only one air
So
conditioning
one,
unit.
okay.
But it is ducted with a couple of ducts coming into the bedroom here as well. This is a power vent fan, so this cannot at 30 amps accept a second air conditioner.
Okay.
You can upgrade the main air conditioner to 15,000 BTUs instead
Okay.
of the standard 13,500.
Oh, okay.
Yep, so
All
you
right.
can get some more cooling power, but again, being a narrow body camper, we don't need as much cooling power in this. This should keep up no problem.
Okay. All right, so tell us about the bedroom.
So the bedroom, first of all, you can see both outlets of this floor plan with the inverter prep that it has, or prep for an inverter. Just your pretty standard wardrobes with hanging storage on both sides of the bed, and a bed base. This is more of, I would say, traditional style bed base where you're going to have just a big open space, but again, for keeping totes for extra clothes or warmer clothes,
Yeah.
depending on how you're camping.
Yeah, no, that's good. You can organize stuff in here however you want to.
Yeah.
And then you've got space on the sides.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. And I think personally, it's for a walk around bed, again, 7 foot wide, generally you start getting really close to the walls. This would be a very easy bed for me to make.
Yeah. Oh, this is cool.
Did the sofa
So,
come out?
a lot more room. Oh, okay, good question from Lola.
Did the sofa
So does
jackknife
this
out?
sofa come out to become a bed, or?
This sofa is what they call a jackknife sofa, so it operates more like a futon.
Okay.
So really, you just lift it up and it'll lay down
Yeah,
flat.
that's easy enough.
So
yeah.
it's still gives you an area
Yeah.
to throw a sleeping bag across, sleep a kid or two, and then but it does convert back to a bed, just or to a sofa very simply.
And so what about over here? Can this also be made into a bed?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You'd have to remove the pedestal legs from the dinette. The dinette will actually drop down and sit right here on these stiles, and then the cushions will lay all the way across. So this will get you about a 72-inch long bed.
Oh, nice. Okay, sweet.
Like I said, it is more of a this trailer is designed for the consumer base that maybe just wants to camp a little bit more minimalistically. It's not bare bones. It has solar, it has inverter prep, it has side view cameras and rear view cameras and all that. But there's also some things that it does not have.
Right.
So it's more for the just.
It's a
what
nice
do I-
entry
what-
point,
so
and then
what
you
do I
can
need?
upgrade.
Yep.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah, you can
Yep.
upgrade from there before you're ready to go to something bigger, or maybe if you want to go off road to something smaller,
Yeah.
you've got that option as well.
Yep.
Yeah, very nice.
But
So-
for that weight point, 4,500 pounds for this size of trailer, now we can tow it with Tacomas, Colorado, all those
Pretty
mid-sized
much,
trucks.
yeah. Anything out there. I mean, even like my van can tow 5,000 pounds.
There you go.
So yeah,
Yep.
awesome. Let's go outside and wrap it up. All right, Grant. Thanks a lot, man.
Absolutely.
For folks out there who want more info, how can they find that?
M Series is now fully on our website. We should have 2 floor plans up there.
Okay.
Currently, the rear kitchen that we just were in, and we have a 2225 MK, which is more of a mid-kitchen floor plan.
Okay.
We are in the process of producing a bunkhouse with a Murphy bed, so that'll be another floor plan. This will probably
Okay.
have about 3 more floor plans added into it. The first 2 have been produced. You can find them on dealer lots. You can find them on our website, winnebago.com.
Awesome. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Thank you.
All right, guys. I hope you enjoy the content here that we're doing at the RV Super Show in Tampa. Lots of good stuff here from Winnebago. We will see you guys on the next video. Peace.